fishing, guys. We are here in Taiwan for fishing. Shout out from the Philippines. Shout out from Ma'am Rosalie Garcia Pasagoy. Shout out to you, ma'am. Salamat po dahil ikaw ang kauna-unahang nag-comment sa aking live stream. Maraming salamat po, ma'am. So Rosalie. From Anokyokyo Okoli. Shout out to you from Nigeria. From Master Friends. Shout out from Nigeria. Thank you so much. Riza de los Reyes, hi idol. Shout out to you, ma'am. Thank you for watching us. Hi guys, good afternoon. Right now we are here in Taiwan, guys. Can you comment down below which country were you from right now, and also what time is in your country right now? Oh, watching from Manila. Thank you so much, ma'am. Right now we are here in Taiwan trying to catch more fish to make some food tonight for our dinner. Shout out to you, ma'am. Shout out. I'm from Marikina. Saan ka idol nakatira, idol? Cagayan Valley. My friend is in Cagayan Valley. Me and his friend is from Marikina City. Right now, guys, we are here in Taiwan, but our home country is Philippines, guys. Hello guys. Good afternoon, guys. The time right now is 5:22 p.m. Almost 6 o'clock, guys. Oh, shout out from Tondo. Thank you to all taga Tondo. Sa lahat na nanonood sa amin ng taga Tondo, thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. You're welcome, sir. You're welcome, Ana Chukyu Okoli. I love your video. Oh, thank you so much, my friend. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. From my deepest in my heart, my deepest in my heart, I really appreciate your comment. Thank you so much. Hoping you're enjoying our live stream. I want you to know, guys, every day we do live stream about fishing in different ways. Hello guys. Good afternoon to all of you. Mukhang alas 6 pa si Master CJ ah. Nit unsa nimong glodo. Ma'am, pasensya na po, hindi ko maintindihan, Ma'am Bebs. Hindi ko po maintindihan, Ma'am Bebs, kung anong klaseng lengguwahe ito, Ma'am Bebs. Guys, there's another one. A lucky shot. Woohoo! Oh, that's a big size, huh? That's a shout out from Neng Carcueva. Shout out to you, idol. Thank you so much for watching us, Ma'am Neng. Hi, good afternoon. Pa-shout out from Batangas in watching. Shout out to you, Sir Erwin Salazar. Guys, ang laki ng huli natin, no? Wow, ang laki. Good size na naman, mga bossing. Shout out sa lahat ng taga Batangas na nanonood, kay Master and Friends, guys. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Balik ko. Shout out Sir Armindo Montiero from watching. Hi sir, where you from right now, sir? Hi, where you from? Taguram. Wow, ang laki. Yes po, Ma'am De Los Reyes. Ang lalaki po ng huli natin ngayon. Happy birthday, Sisi Labs ng Gayorgor. Yes po, birthday po ng aming Mami Gayorgor, ng ating Mami Gayorgor. Please greet, di ba? Batiin, di ba? Greet her. Happy birthday, guys. Happy birthday. Ingat kayo dyan, mga idol. Salamat po, Sir Erwin Salazar. Si Coco Martin nanonood. Ang probinsyano nanonood. Shout out sa iyo, Coco Martin.